Hey guys, I know you all want to hear the siren, but I just thought I'd give a little quick update on what actually happened today. Didn't go to plan, which usually happens about 70-80% of the time I go up there to film. It was my fault though, I mixed my bus numbers up. Now the bus you get from Lanark to the Siren Towns is the 37. And it usually comes in as the 37 and leaves as the 37. But today it came in as the 34. So I was stood there, seen the 34 coming in, seen all the... I was waiting for 15 minutes before it even came in. Make sure I got it. Watched all the passengers get on and then watched it go away. And it's when it turned to leave I noticed that it had changed to 37 on the back. But it was too late for me to get on it by then, so I thought, traffic's diverted because there's roadworks, so I'll chase it down the town and head it off up the road, but the bus stop was too far down and I didn't catch it. But I've kept that bit in the video, you'll see for yourself what happened. But I would say I can't believe I was that stupid, but I can, because it's me. But so what I had to end up doing was go to Lanark, is always the backup plan if something goes wrong, because I know for a fact I'm going to get there. So I did Lanark again, but this time I did it from Tesco, which is high up. So I kind of climbed up the little embankment and sat there outside Tesco to film it. And two guys, you can hear them on the second and third wind up of the siren talking. That was two Tesco workers who came out for the break. And one is basically saying to the other, oh yeah, they test it Thursday of the month, you know. And if you hear that and it's not the Thursday of the month at 1 o'clock, then it means there's a lunatic on the loose. That's what he said, and he's right. So, but yeah, it was a good test. I hope you guys like it. As I say, it wasn't my plan. I was planning to go to Carstairs village because I know the guy said it was working last month, but I wanted to find out for myself and see if it sounded any better or any different since they fixed it. But obviously that didn't happen because I'm a complete and utter idiot. But I did try and catch the bus, but so next month go up. I have a different plan for next month, but we'll have the car, so this won't be happening again. But yeah, guys, so I do love filming out in the country, but there's something about filming that siren in the town, just a different atmosphere when you film it in a town centre with people and that about. Although some of the noises do annoy me, the background noises of animals and cars and stuff, but you know, I did my best with it, so I enjoyed it, and I hope you guys do as well. So let's see, shall we? Hi guys, so came up today. Was going to go at Carstairs village just to clarify that one was working, and that's my bus there. I've just missed it, even though I've been waiting in the station for like 15 minutes on it, 20 minutes, and I missed it because I didn't see that destination screen change. I wonder if I can catch it further down. I don't remember if it goes that way or that way, but yeah, it came in as a 34. I didn't see it change until it left, so that is the bus I need to be getting though. And to top that off, I'm going to get ran over. Oh, it's gone. Oh, damn. There are the bells, so the siren should be any second. Oh, shut up. Birds. Christ. Bloody hell, it's not birds, it's horns. Everybody wants to get involved. Wait for the siren. Oh, that's that, guys, for this month's test.